Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 12 2023, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on More Connections. Following that, select Bluetooth at the top. Now tap on this switcher next to Use Bluetooth in order to activate it. Then just wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. In this pop-up, you need to select Pair and wait for the other device to do the same. So when I do that, as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, choose this gear icon next to the device and tap on Forget at the bottom left corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to connect to the same one, just click on it and select Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!